Hi, we're back again for part 3 of Late Qing Predicaments. There's a gentleman by the name of Liang Qiqiao that said that weak nations are ruled by selfish monarchs. Chinese people's weaknesses are characterized by their clansmen rather than citizens, only had a village mentality, not a national mentality, and can only accept despotism, not enjoy freedom. So here's a picture of Liang Qiqiao. Many Chinese elites, to fight imperialism, facilitated regional armies. There were 3 regional armies talked about here. Zheng Guofan was in charge of an army based in Hunan, Li Hongzhang, an army based in Anhui, and Yuan Shikai, an army based in North China. Here's a picture of Zheng Guofan, and he lived from 1811 to 1872. And then here is Li Hongzhang, from 1823 to 1901, and finally Yuan Shikai from 1859 to 1916. In 1911, the Hubei Army launched the Republican Revolution, ending 2,000 years of Chinese imperial history. In 100 years, a prosperous, well-administered country at the edge of modernity turned into a nation of chaos, corruption, backwardness, and poverty. China's decline was because of 4 specific factors: environmental degradation, the effects of imperialism, the influx of foreign capital, knowledge, institutions increased the divide between the coastal areas and the hinterlands. The empire's political institutions failed to address these problems. Reform-oriented intellectuals emphasized the importance of Chinese citizens. The May 4th movement in 1919 was an intellectual nationalist movement. A new age of ideologies and political mobilization of the masses was about to begin.